Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
This video shows the only way to use Sync Manager and Rekordbox efficiently. You will learn to select playlists, set export targets, and verify file integrity. Sync Manager automates playlist transfer to USB sticks, SD cards, and devices. Open Rekordbox, click Export Mode, then click Sync Manager in the sidebar. Sync Manager lists connected devices and available playlists side by side for review. This workflow eliminates manual copying and ensures consistent metadata across all devices. Prepare your destination device and confirm it has enough free space before syncing. Use an 8 GB or larger USB stick formatted as FAT32 or XFAT for compatibility. Connect the device to your computer and let Rekordbox recognize it in export. Select the playlists you want to sync and drag them into the device column. Set the sync mode to incremental to copy only changed tracks and metadata. Click Start Sync and monitor progress. Do not eject until the progress bar finishes. After syncing, validate the export by opening the device in Rekordbox export mode. Check waveform load times, cue points, loops, and beat grid alignment on several tracks. If metadata differences appear, use Rekordbox Analyze or relink missing files before resyncing. Use scheduling to keep playlists updated automatically. Configure weekly or daily sync intervals. Limit file size by setting bitrate or excluding stems to keep under device storage limits. Safely eject the device through Rekordbox or the OS after the final progress notification appears.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.